Ever seen this meme? Back in 2019 in United States, the feline featured in the meme is a UIA cat named Ethel. She is a blind and overweight cat and had been featured in GU
Completely
Beats.
blind in both eyes, very overweight.
In 2021, a Turkish TikToker made some goofy noises inspired by a rhythm game Friday Night Funkin'. Then in 2023, Chinese users put the sound and cat together and made it spin. And this meme exploded globally on the internet. So Turkey have the sound, US have the cat, and China made it go viral. Now you know the true story. Like and follow Andre for more cool facts.